Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. This has been a while, I know, but I kept y'all guys waiting for the second chapter of Gachiakuta. I got a new hat. Do you like it? I know. And the other old one is gone. Yeah, it has been stolen, but I got me a new hat. And yeah. So for people that say, oh, this nigga look like cat in a hat. Anyway, let's just hop right into this. Let's see what happens next. So for people that doesn't know what happened, of course, check out my other video for my reaction on the first chapter. Surprisingly did well. But hey, yeah, let's just hop into the second chapter and see what happens. Also, guys, I am a little sick, okay? So there will be cuts here and there that you know, I have to blow my nose and shit. But let's just get into it. The second chapter of the new series begins. A tribesman is being cast to the abyss again. Why would they commit a crime if they knew they'd be dropped? We'll never understand how those impure tribespeople think. They are truly filthy beings. I wonder, why is it that everyone's so concerned about the filth and the crooks, yet no one cares or even considers what happened if they fell into the abyss themselves? Oh shit. Now sprinting on the surface, heading for vengeance. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this chapter is called Piestral Creatures. I don't know. This art looks amazing. Already starting off with a bang right here. What in the world is that? A living heap of trash? How the hell did that get here? Hell no, we got some dead fucking corpses around. Fuck all of you. How dare you people banish me to this hellscape? Like somebody grabbed him. It looked like somebody grabbed him, I think, and threw him. Rolls. It stops. Gah, this is bad. If this keeps going, with the air in this place, if I keep inhaling it, my lungs are going to give out. Hurry, I have to escape somewhere quickly, somewhere safe. Good luck with that. Is there any safe place in a world like this? In this garbage dump of an unknown world? Oh, we started to throw blood. Oh shit. Am I incapable of doing anything again? Rigeto or some shit, I don't know. Oh boy, that dude is dead. No, it can't be. That's right. I still have things I gotta do. Whoever killed Rigeto is however y'all say it. Whoever tried to frame me, whoever looked down on me, I'll beat them to death. That's right, bro. Get your ass up. That's why. Snap. I just can't die. Until then. And then he just charges in. I'm going to attack them. Don't tell me it's... And then... Oh, wait. He's doing some work. You and this world need to give me a fucking break, you shit. This dude got a potty mouth. You smell worse than Regato's farts. And he just pierces his throat. Ha! Oh, he gets smacked. Starts bleeding. Gets back up. I think that's how you say it. And slashes it. Damn. He put in that work. I think he's still spitting the blood. Shit. I can't move my legs. So it just blew up. Okay. Oh, somebody comes in with an umbrella. Crush. And opens his eyes and sees, oh shit. So all that crush didn't do nothing to this umbrella. Oh boy, I think we're about to get introduced to the power system of this show. Of the series. That's a show. What the fuck? If there's not a power system, then I don't know. I don't care. Shit. I'm still interested. Okay. Alright. He is still coughing the blood. And then he kicks the shit out of him. What the fuck is happening? So I think he kicks the blood out of him. What's wrong? And then he puts the mask on him. A mask? I can breathe. You're a human, right? What in the world is this place? And what the hell is that monster? Shut up for a bit. What the hell is this world? I said shut up, kid. I've fallen from above and I have no idea what's going on. This abyss, this underground. Please, where are we? You're not underground. And don't make any more noises, you little shit. I can't hear anything. Speak more clearly. Like I said, you're not underground. This is the surface. These garbage heaps are what sky people have dumped here. And like I told you earlier, shut the fuck up. Everybody got a potty mouth in here. Thanks to you. Now they know we're here. Didn't I take it out earlier? They're called ambient beasts. These things look the same as trash heap monster. Listen to me. No matter how many times you beat them with a normal weapon, it's useless. Besides, they don't actually respond to sounds of humans make. That's why I was talking in a low voice, but you started shouting. The ambient beasts spotted in this area are special. That's why I don't, that's why I don't do anything flashy to get their attention. I'm normally not this loud. It's your fault, you little shit. Whoa, an umbrella. Arf. Shouting out makes this so much better. Anyways, bash, or like it's like opening or something. Oh, let's clean up. Oh, that's so hot. That is hot. Whoa. Okay, so he just like uses the umbrella and he twirls it, creating like a whirlwind or something. Ooh. Or like a blade. Probably. Yeah, like a blade. He twirls it like a blade. And he slashes them. What's with that umbrella? They're not coming back. Ooh, okay. There's so many of you. Okay. Unbreaker 8th tear. Ooh. Now this looks awesome, man. This looks awesome. And it just smashes right through him. That's hot. So he smashes it. He over there. We over there. Wow. Just amazed. In awe. He wiped out that many? Does that technology only exist in the abyss? Is he somewhere special? If I could have his power, Even I could take out those bastards above. Yao shithead still alive. Who are you? I'm gonna take off his mask. You sure that's a good idea? I'm Engine, and I'm just your average janitor. Oof, that stinks. I just took out my mask without thinking. Look what you made me do. Even a chance meeting can lead to a strong bond, an inevitable counter to be continued. Oh man, that's it. Okay guys, well that's gonna be it for the chapter until chapter 3 anyway. Honestly, yeah, they're about to introduce the power system of this series, and it's about to be in the form of weapons probably. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this chapter. I will be doing the other chapters of things that I missed lately, and yeah guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.